Techopsworld. In this video, we are going to learn what is meant by strings in Python and how it is being used, and also what are the methods available to deal with strings in Python. So let's begin. So first, what is strings? Strings in Python are actually surrounded either by single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Anything which is surrounded by single quotation and double quotation marks are called as strings. We can do many things with the strings. Either it might be an algorithm implementation or some code implementation or some data manipulation. Everything we need to compare these things with the help of strings. So we can assign the string to a variable, we can do multiple things, we can do slicing and dicing. So everything we are going to learn in this video. So let's begin. As usual, let's open Jupyter Notebook. Yes, here we are. So in the simple way, I told like anything which is surrounded by a single quotes or either double quotes are called a string. So here I'm giving like hello is a word here, which means a string here, and I'm giving it inside print of method. So what we got is the word itself, hello. So if we give this hello in double quotes, the same will come. Okay, let's assign this value to a variable called a and see what happens to this. We got the same thing, like we have assigned hello to the variable a, and when we print it, we got it in single quotes. That's okay. So if we give print of a, it will return only the value, not the quotes. So if you want to give the multiline strings, how can we do? Let's see. I already have a template for this. Let's check. We have to give this multiline strings with 3 continuous double quotes. We can also replace this double quotes with the help of single quotes. And the effect is same. We can either use double quotes or single quotes. If we are starting with the double quotes, the interpreter will calculate its ending point with the same double quotes. If we are starting with the single quotes, then the same will happen for it. So what happens if our word itself has single quotes read? For example, the word doesn't, haven't, initially has single quotes in it, right? So this type of word, let's see how to do it. We can give a backspace character here, and we can enclose it with the help of double quotes. Thus, Python treats this as a complete variable, though it has a single quote in it. Yes, we got doesn't. And also note here that when we print hello with the single quotes, with the double quotes, we got the hello in single quotes. But here we have got the double quotes because we already have this single quote inside this word. We also can use special characters like the \n, \t. \n represents the new line and \t represents a tab in it. So let's try them. Say for example, I have this string here and I have give this \n, which represents a new line. Let's run. We have got the same thing, but when we do the print of, yes, we will, this print of actually executes the special character. So the same applies here. If we give t here, the first line, then the tab space, then the second line. So the print actually executes the \t and it has this tab space here. So suppose if I'm going to print a file folder structure or folder path. For example, I have something like this. C : some : name. If I try to print in this way, what it will do is C : \sum this till this thing, it is fine. But after this we have \n, which means a new line. That's why the remaining thing AME has got its place in this new line. To avoid this, we can use R in front of it. Using this R in front of it means we are giving it as a raw string, which means The print doesn't need to do any special characters conversion in it. So let's try it. Print of, just give an R in front of whatever you want to give, then followed by C, sum, then name. That's all. Let's see. Yes. Since we gave this R, which means this filer path as a raw string, the print does not manipulate any backslash character here, and we have got what we gave in the print inside the print method. Let's see how to concatenate the string. For example, if we give like this, we will get un for 3 times, then ium. So let's see how this actually works. We are multiplying un by 3 times, and then we are adding ium to this already available value. That's why we got this. And since this multiplication operator has more priority, more precedence over this addition operator, this is happening. If we do it in this way, like star, then inside the parenthesis un plus ium. Let's put it inside single quotes. What we have got is, first this interpreter has added un and ium. It has combined this thing as a single word, then it multiplies this thing with 3 times. So we got un ium and un ium 3 times. If you already saw my operators video, you can know what is meant by the operator precedence and how this thing is happening. Then simply, if you want to concatenate 2 different things, what you can do is give us space and do like this. It will return a single word. Since we do not have anything inside this, it will just concatenate these 2 words like py and thon, and it returns the word Python here. Suppose if we are assigning to a word like take string is equal to techops, then print of, I'm adding this value to the already available word. So we got Techopsworld here. If we want to print the reverse string of this thing, what we can do is simply do string of -1. Let's see how to handle this as an array. So techops is a single word and it is a string. A string is actually an array of characters. So we can treat this as array. The array actually starts with the value 0 here, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and in Python, the interpreter also interprets a string in the reverse manner, like it starts from -1 here, -1, -2, -3 in this way. So let's check it out. If I am giving string of 0, I'll get T. So if I am giving string of 1, I'll get E. So if I gave a string of -1, let's see, I have got S here, which means the last character. So yes, which means the last character. Then let's see what is meant by slicing and dicing. So if we want to print the first 2 characters, then we can give like this. This is called actually slicing and dicing. This is called slicing here. If we are mentioning only the row part, let's see, we have got TE. The 0 represents the starting index of the string, what we are going to get, and this 2 represents till what number we are going to get. Like if we give 2 here, we have got we will get 2 characters. If I give 3 here, we will get the next 3 characters starting from 0. So here if I give 1, we will be getting E and C. Yes. Suppose if I leave the first thing, I did not give anything at the first, and if I simply give 4 here, I will be getting the word starting from T till the 4th character, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 till H I will be getting here. So in the same way, if I leave the second one and if I give 1 here, means I'll be getting the remaining things starting from the position 1. In the same way, we can also try with the negative integer values. Like if I give -2 here, which means the starting character is -1, -2, -1, -2. Starting is P here and the rest thing I need. So that's why I have got PS here. So in the same way, if I gave, I did not give anything in the first thing, and if I gave -3 here, I have got TECH, which means -1, -2, -3. So I am asking to interpreter to leave all these steps, and till wo it should leave, and I need the things right from the starting. So TECH we have got. This is actually called as strings slicing and dicing. I have explained you both with the help of negative integers and also the positive integers. And we can also loop inside the string. For example, using the for loop, print of x, we have got this thing like the Techopsworld, the word itself, it has got iterated, and it was printed every character by character here. You can learn what are all these for loops and what are its purpose in different video. If you want to find the length of the video, if you want to find the length of the string, then we do have a separate word for this. We do have a separate method for it. So let's assign Techopsworld to a variable. So here we want to find the length of the variable, right? So len, this is the method to find the length of the string. So here totally you have 12 characters, which means T, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally 12 characters. So the length is 12. We have got it. And to check whether a particular string is available inside a text or not, we do have a method for it. We can use in, which is a membership operator. Again, you can refer the operators video to get in-depth knowledge regarding the operators. I'm simply explaining here. If we want to check whether this particular string free is available inside this inside the statement or not, simply we can use this in operator. And we have got this free here, it is here, so we have got true as a result. If we want to check it is not there or not, we can use not an operator. So if I use not an operator, it will return false because free is there in this txt, so it has returned false. So that's all for the strings in Python. If you want to attend interview-based questions or interview-based codes with the help of Python, string is one of the major topic, and many questions, many concepts will be asked under strings. So it is important to learn the methods and how to manipulate strings in different way. I hope you learned something useful from this video. If you do so, please click the like button and share this video to your friends. To learn more about Python related content, please check our Python programming language playlist. If you want to learn more concepts regarding Python and data science, do comment them below in the comment box. I'll post a video on it. Thank you. Keep supporting our channel.